Hi, I'm Dr. Sean Murphy here at Chiropractic and Sports Health, and today we're talking a little bit more about migraines. So do you know somebody who suffers from really intense migraines? Sometimes what can trigger that is restrictions in the joints in their upper cervical spine. So here at Chiropractic and Sports Health, what we do is we perform chiropractic manipulations to help restore normal motion to the spine, but also activate a lot of the mechanoreceptors in the neck that will help rebalance some of the neurological input into the brain, which can help mitigate some of the migraine symptoms. So for an adjustment, all we do is we find a joint that's a little restricted, and we give it a little push. So if you know anyone who suffers from migraines who might benefit from an adjustment, have them give our office a call.